apple, B for bird, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for glass, H for house, J for jug, K for kite, L for lemon, M for mango, N for necklace, O for orange, P for pencil, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, W, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, V for van, W for want, X for extra, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Oh.